An Aspen man jailed on a $250,000 bond faces potential felony charges of sexual exploitation of a child after police say they found thousands of images and videos of child sexual abuse material on his electronic devices and drives. Aspen police arrested Joshua Randall, 43, on Friday after acting on a cyber tip received this spring from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Detective Adriano Minetti of the Aspen Police Department's Internet Crimes Against Children unit was assigned the case. According to an affidavit supporting the arrest warrant, the case was sent to Aspen Police on May 21, when Minetti received a report that Microsoft's Skype photo-sharing service had flagged 7 uploads of child sexual abuse material or XM on February 25. The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children forwarded the tip to Aspen Police. A Homeland Security Task Force officer then served a summons on Comcast Cable to obtain subscriber information for the IP address linked to the uploads. Comcast responded May 7, identifying the account as registered to Randall. After reviewing the flagged files, Minetti determined that all met the legal definition of XM material showing a person under 18 engaged in sexually explicit or lewd conduct. On June 19, Minetti executed a search warrant signed by Judge Laura Macker at Randall's Aspen home. As Minetti arrived, Randall was leaving and was met by Detective Rick Magnuson, who seized his smartphone. Another officer, Kirk Wheatley, confiscated a Nintendo Switch device. Randall cooperated and allowed officers inside, the affidavit says. He said that he knows we are there for electronic devices, the affidavit said. I asked him what he thinks we could be there for that would relate to electronic devices. He paused and said there could be any number of reasons, but he would like to see a search warrant. Police seized 2 laptops, multiple flash drives and a hard drive. Minetti later reported finding many files of XM, most showing infants being abused. A second search warrant, dated August 27, authorized Minetti to review more data. One flash drive alone contained 18,424 images and 3,390 videos that met the definition of XM, the affidavit said. Randall's 2024 divorce papers were also found on the device. By late September, Minetti had identified 29,246 images and 8,144 videos of sexually exploitative material. He wrote that due to the overwhelming volume of data and evidence of Joshua making content and having victims, he sought an arrest warrant to alleviate the concern of further victimization. Judge Ann Norton signed the warrant on Thursday, and Randall was taken into custody. He is scheduled to appear in court October 20 for his first appearance. In other court developments, Aspen man arrested on felony charges appeared in Pitkin County District Court on Monday with his newly hired defense attorney, Don Nottingham, who indicated in a filing that he will seek a preliminary hearing. Police arrested Reese Castiglione, 39, early September 27 after he allegedly attacked another man with a knife while armed with a handgun, violating a protection order. Prosecutor Audrey Adgate told the court charges will be filed by November 3, Castiglione's next scheduled court date. According to police, Castiglione confronted 3 men downtown as they waited for a cab. When officers arrived, he appeared intoxicated and initially gave a false name before they found his passport card. Police cited possible charges including menacing, assault and weapons violations. He was released on a $20,000 bond. A plea offer is on the table for Jonathan Tello, charged with 1 count of sexual assault on a child, a Class 4 felony, stemming from a May 22 incident at a downtown Aspen bar. Defense attorney Arnold Murtkin told the judge he needed time to discuss the offer with his client. I did receive an offer a few days ago, and need an opportunity to explore with Mr. Tello as far as we need to explore, Murtkin said. Judge Macker set the next court date for November 3. According to a redacted affidavit, Tello allegedly touched a girl while her family watched an NBA playoff game at a bar. Surveillance footage appeared to show Tello placing his hand between the girl's legs while she was seated. The girl later told investigators he made comments and touched her shoulder before the contact. Police said Tello appeared intoxicated on video. He was arrested in May and released on a $15,000 bond.